Hey guys, it's me, Cindy, and I just want to do a little update. A couple of experiments, maybe a little talk or whatnot. This is my hens. I think I have narrowed it down. I've got, out of 6, I got 3 hens and 3 roosters. And I got the roosters, caught them today, and I've got them in some separate pens. They were being real mean to my little chicks, which are in the middle section of this cage. I got one rooster right here. He was being so ugly to my little chicks yesterday that he almost killed one of them. So I got him by himself. He gets a little bit bigger, he'll probably end up on the grill. The other 2 roosters, I'm not sure yet what I want to do with them, but I just don't want them right now. I don't want them to hurt my little chicks. I got 3 little chicks that I want to let out during the day, and I can't do that when the roosters are being so mean to them. I just can't do it. And maybe they're just a little bit too young to be, I'm pretty sure they are, to be with the older chickens. They're about a month apart. Anyway, that's my update on my chicks. I've moved the chicken tractor. Let's see. Let me show you the very first place that's my burn pile. This is the very first place I had them when they was first started coming outside and first built the chicken tractor. And this is, I don't know if you can tell what the grass looks like here. Looks pretty good. Anyway, that's the first place, and so I've moved it several times since then. I moved it from there to right here. And they broke up the yard pretty good here. During this time when I moved them here, from back before my dog is crazy. My husband broke his leg, so they stayed here just a little bit too long, so it kind of messed up the ground a little bit. And I didn't realize that if I could move it by myself or not, but I did. I managed to move it. So I moved it 1, 2. I'm pretty sure you can see that bald patch there. And then they stayed over here just a little bit too long. I'm learning that I need to move it every day now that they've gotten bigger. And then this was where this bald spot in the yard was where my car sat all winter. It was messed up, had some issues, so that made a bad spot in the yard. So I moved them a little bit further down this morning. Now it's going to be a little bit easier for me, I think, with the 3 roosters out of the picture. I may not have to move the chicken tractor every day because there'll just be 3 hens in it, and just for a little while because I let them out and let them range in the yard. Alright, I'm going to show you this little experiment I got with the fire starters. I did 3 different kinds, which that's not all the ones I want to do, but this is the 3 that I wanted to experiment with today. And let me show you. Okay, these are the fire straw, and it is a cotton ball soaked in the cooking spray, like to keep stuff from sticking. And I burnt a couple of these already just to try them out, but I want to see how long they burn compared to these new things that I came up with. And this is a toilet paper roll, and inside is cotton that is saturated with, I'm just going to squeeze it and let you see. It's 8 cotton balls saturated with Vaseline. I think that's going to be the one that burns the longest. Probably could even boil a cup of water with that. And these are wax. And I put an ice cube tray and cotton balls. I just tore it, kind of separated a little bit, tore it up, and soaked it. Melted wax and soaked those. And those burn, already tried those too, and those burn for about 3 minutes. I just kind of want to see in comparison. I got this on my barbecue grill. I don't know how this is going to do. To see kind of how it's going to do. I'm going to light this one first. I'm going to pause the video and light them. Alright, I got all 3 of them lit. The easiest one to light is the wax. This one here. The wax with the cotton balls. The only thing they have in common is the cotton balls. Got a plastic straw. And then toilet paper roll. And then just wax and cotton balls. The fire straws are burning slower from what I can see. Now I tore one apart and it burned really well. Hang on just a second. Chloe, come here. She was going across the road. Putting off quite a bit of heat. We're going to use some of these and have our own little experiment when it gets colder weather, because we burn wood for heat. We'll have plenty of opportunity, but I just wanted to do this. I was kind of bored and just wanted to see which one I thought would be best maybe to boil water. And I may try that a little bit later. I should have tried it now. Oh well. I'll give you a little bit closer view. It's kind of hot. The fire straw is burning pretty slow. There's a lot of heat coming from I can really tell from the wax cotton balls. That was 2 of them. The first one is 2 cotton balls, 8 cotton balls, and then 1 cotton ball each in the other. Fire straw. This video may end up being too long. Kind of give you an idea though how they burn. I think you have better luck with the fire straws if you take the cotton out and use as tinder. Just my opinion. But if you wanted a very small, very, very small fire, the straw is awesome. But I think for the amount of trouble it took to melt the wax and all that, the toilet paper roll with the 8 cotton balls with Vaseline, that was so much easier. But you can see the difference in the flame too, though. The wax is really giving off. That would definitely boil water. But as far as for our fire starter for our wood stove, for heat, I think I'm going to make some of the toilet paper roll, the one in the middle. That would definitely get a good fire going. Boiling water, I think the wax for a real small fire, or you're having a hard time getting the fire going, it's wet. I think the longer burning fire straw would be the best bet. I'm not going to bore y'all sitting here watching this burn, but just to give you an idea. Now the straws are really getting the plastic burn off of them now. Just a neat little experiment. I need to burn my brush pile over here where I have trimmed some limbs and stuff. I might throw a few of those wax, because I have like 50 of them made up. Throw a couple of those in there and get that going, because it'll definitely burn that. And I think it attracts snakes, and I'm just not really comfortable with it anyway, so I need to burn it. I'm kind of afraid to when I'm here at home by myself. My husband's with a broke leg all laid up. So I'm not really sure. I may wait till they cut this hay field next to me, and that way it won't ruin this man's hay if it gets out of hand. And they're cutting on the other side of the road now, so it won't be long I'll burn that crap down. And I think I'm going to use some of those wax fire starters that I made. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Bye.